Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Rank and percentile. The rank and percentile analysis tool produces a table that contains the ordinal and the percentage rank of each value in a data set. You can analyze the relative standing of values in a data set. The tool uses the worksheet function rank EQ and percent rank inc. If you want to account for tied values, use the rank EQ function, which treats tied values as having the same rank, or use the rank average function, which returns the average function for the tied values. Here we built our own, just random names. You can allow Excel to build this table for you, or we can build our own rank and percentile. This is the way to go. All we do is grab some random data here, just some names, some random numbers. All I did was put rand, 100,000, 200,000. Rank, here's the formula. We're just ranking this, rank, and all we're doing is K2, and if you recall, the simple function number, K2, this is K2. In the range, we have K2 to K20. All we're doing is comparing this to everything else. Hit escape. How do we get the percentile? We just take 1 divided by the number. 1 divided by count times count. Pretty simple. The numbers are clearly aren't going to match this because they're random now. You can go through the same procedure if you want. Or process. Go to data analysis, go to rank and percentile, go to input range. You're going to just grab this information. No labels. No, let's just go ahead. Let's change that. The labels. We're going to go labels, and we want output where? We're going to put the output just below here. We're going to hit OK. Look, we have the same stuff. Point cells, rank, percentile. That's simple. Your choice. I would build my own. Why? Because if this data is changing, you want that flexibility. Like you can see the ranks change. Here, it's static. You can sort this after the fact if you want to sort. If you want to sort by percentage, if you want to sort by name, by sales, what have you, you have that feature. You just go up to sort. Just go home, sort, data, sort, and then you can do whatever you want. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.